seeing if anything's around. Turkey season's only maybe 3 weeks away, not even 2.5 weeks away, so just calling out here, seeing if I can get any birds to come in. There's some big flocks around the area, but I haven't seen any on the property so far this spring. Last year we had a few, even within the opening week of last year we had one roll through, but I was on another property where actually I got a bird that day, so it doesn't matter. But we'll see. Just talk some turkey talk. Yeah, I was just saying I haven't seen a turkey in a little while, and I eat my words. Here's tracks. This is exactly where I'm planning on setting up. It's hard to see, I know, but look at that. Yes, turkeys are coming through. Let's hope. Again, keep practicing your calls. Make sure you get everything set up properly so you're ready for the day. I haven't missed a turkey opener yet. And hopefully I won't, because I know coronavirus. But this will be my area where I'll be set up. As you can see, Paul is in the area where we're probably going to set the blind. This is great. So ready. As you guys can tell, turkey is like my favorite time of year. Like by far my favorite time of year. So today we're just going to do like a walk. Just get out the house, walk about, try to find some sign for turkey, do some calling, you know, do a little homestead walk. And do some wild edible searching as well. There's not much out right now. The mullen's just starting to pop up. The garlic mustard's just coming out. The fiddleheads are so close. But no cigar yet. Oh, you see little tulips are popping up. Little patches all over the place here. Let's hope that this is where our turkey comes from this year. Nice little turkey scout area. This would be perfect. This swampy little marsh area. I'm also going to set up another little blind over here too. I've seen turkey down here before, so definitely going to have one of these areas as a spot I hit up. I'm just going to plunk a whole bunch of like little makeshift natural blinds all across the property here, so that wherever I want to go that day, I can just go to that blind. Remember, another important thing is maintaining your trails. Get all your sticks everything off of the ground on the trail that you're coming in on, as you can see, because that'll be crucial. You don't want to spook a tom off its roost just because you snapped a stick coming into your stand or your blind. So it's crucial, just certain things to think of beforehand, you know, like some forethought and prep going into your hunt. Make sure you get your blind set up beforehand. Make sure your gun's sighted in. Make sure you've practiced your calls. Make sure your batteries and your red dots are working well. You really don't want to be caught with your pants down on opening day and a bird in front of you and you're not prepped. So think of all of this stuff before the season. Come in, do some prep, put in some work, and who knows, you might increase your chances and be successful. Look at this area. I have a good feeling about this year. A real good feeling. The biggest thing to remember too is you got a bird in front of you or you hear one, stay still. Make sure your gun's up and raised, and stay still. These turkeys have amazing eyesight. They can see you blink from 60 yards away. So that's one of my other tips, just to make sure you stay still when they do come in. Have your gun already up so you're not having to try to put your gun on them, or you're trying to you're not trying to like put them in your sights as they're walking up to you, because then you'd be caught and you're done. Bird's gonna run away. Good luck getting another shot at that guy. I strongly suggest that you get out and practice your calls, build your blinds, you know, get all your areas scouted out and set up. I wouldn't be in the bush the week before, so that's why it's best to get prepped, do everything now, and then you'll be ready for them gobblers when Turkey Open happens. So, oh, also another thing, sighting your guns. But yeah, so good luck to everybody. Keep you posted on how I do. Let's hope that we actually have